So now we're going to enter in our room. So yeah, this is our room, and when you enter, you have this mirror right here, and we can open them up. Okay, yeah, we have slippers. We have 3 drawers in here. You have your safe, and they've given us this complimentary from the hotel. And this, you could always just call them and they will just deliver it to you, so it's unlimited. Here we have fridge. We have some wine there. And from here, this is the bathroom. You've got your bidet. This is the shower right here. That is all your toiletries. And yeah, these towels right here. And they have this bathrobe. Then here, hand sanitizer, complete. And moving on, and this is 2-seater sofa with my things on it. And this is the bed, and this right here is a high ceiling. And this light is very beautiful. And now we have our balcony, and I'm going to take you there. Now let me take you to the balcony. So this is our view, guys, and this is the Greece of UAE, if that makes sense. So this is an inspired Crete, Greece, in the heart of UAE. This place is Ras Al Khaimah. We are currently celebrating our wedding anniversary here in Ras Al Khaimah. So please guys, give it a thumbs. Let me know your comments down below what you think of this place, because to me it's really, really, really gorgeous. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so I can show you more of this room tour vlog. So yeah, that's the view right there. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye.